Hey guys, Halloween is approaching. I got another LED Halloween mask, so let's unbox this together, see what comes. I have no idea what this looks like, besides just the basic look, so let's see how it works and all that together. Alright, first impressions, it has a lot of LEDs. And looks really sleek, so let's get rid of the box. So this is the mask. It's kind of thick. That's pretty much how it comes. It's a little instruction, and the mask itself. And I think I might have dropped a cable or something because I don't see where it is, but there was a place for a cable in there. But, charging cable. But either way, should have plenty of those around. Actually, no, this is a battery one. I got the wrong one. I got the battery. I meant to get the USB rechargeable one. So, oh well, we're gonna have to deal with the battery. But I recommend you get the USB rechargeable one. So now I gotta put battery, take off the sticker, all that stuff. So let me go find some batteries. Alright, so put some battery on it. Let's push the power button. Take your push and hold. Battery's full because I just put it on. Look at that, it's a broken heart. The number of pixels on this is pretty good, especially from far away here. Let me set it down so you guys can see it better over there. And there's reflections from the light, but this in the dark, it's amazing. The quality is amazing. I thought it was like sound activated. That would be cool, right? That's pretty neat as well. One eye. But let's see, there's a bunch of them. Poop emoji, hearts, ugly face, fire, dancing, and you can program this. So this is programmable. Take Bluetooth, and so I can't wait to download the app. And I mean, it's pretty good. Yeah. You're gonna download the app and play with it. Like some really neat animations and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use this at Glow Night. I really like this one, except that unless you like battery, I don't like battery. I prefer USB rechargeable, which I'm assuming the charging port will be here. So I'm gonna return and exchange for the right one because I meant to order the USB one and I didn't. So just pay attention to that when you order. But several animations here out of the box, and a really good quality. So I really like this mask. So let's peel this off. So, oh, look at that. The trick is to keep fingerprint free, but hopefully that will not be a problem. So it's even better now. Look at that. And the slot for the eyes is right here, as you guys can tell. So vision is, of course, limited. You're not gonna have your peripheral vision or anything like that, but you can navigate around your environment. So it's pretty neat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.